In today's video, I am going to teach you how to get Behance Pro for free. If you are building a creative portfolio, Behance Pro can give your work a polished, professional edge with tools that help your projects stand out and reach the right audience. You'll unlock access to Adobe Portfolio for a custom website, advanced analytics to see how people are discovering and engaging with your work, and helpful project tools that make presenting your creative process more refined. The simplest way to try it without paying is the official 7-day free trial. Head to the Behance website, sign in with your Adobe ID, and look for the Start Free Trial button. When you click it, you'll see what's included and the trial dates. In many regions, you may be asked to add a payment method to begin. That's normal for a trial, and it won't be charged if you cancel before the trial ends. To stay organized, set a reminder on your calendar for a day or two before the 7th day. That way you have time to decide if the upgrade is worth it for you. During the trial, make the most of it, publish or update a project. Connect Adobe Portfolio to build a simple site. And check the analytics to understand where your views and appreciations come from. This focused test drive will show you exactly how the Pro features fit your workflow. Another legitimate route is to use an existing Adobe Creative Cloud subscription. Many Creative Cloud plans already include Behance Pro features at no extra cost. If you are subscribed to apps like Photoshop or Illustrator, sign in to Behance with the same Adobe ID linked to your subscription. Then visit your Behance account settings or profile to confirm your status. If your plan includes Pro, you'll see those features available right away without starting a separate trial. If you are a student or an educator, look into academic pricing. Adobe offers discounted plans for eligible schools and universities. And those plans often include the same Behance Pro benefits or reduce the overall cost of accessing them. Verify your eligibility through Adobe's education pages. Then sign in with the same account on Behance to activate the features included in your plan. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.